So my name is Nainpal. I am from Jharkhand, and I have completed my master degree in English literature. And presently, I am working in Jharkhand Police as a constable.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's great. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So since you said that you have been working as in police, you have been a constable. So do you like your job? How about, what are the things you really find interesting in your job? And were you actually initially wanted to pursue this career, or it's just you ended up having this career option?
Actually, I never wanted to be a police constable, okay? But the
Okay.
situation brought me here, and I am very happy that I am now doing a government job. So I think it is enough,
Okay.
especially in this time, because we know very well that how it is difficult to get a government job, okay?
That's true.
And
True.
yeah, so and if as far as the interesting facts are concerned here, so I like here so many things. I think earning money is a different thing, but apart from that, I get so many things here. Okay, like a name, fame, and so many things, right? Because
Yeah.
the biggest thing is that now I am doing a job and I am able to run a family, and it is enough for me. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah, of course. Okay,
Hmm.
definitely. That is a major part, If you
Hmm.
feel like you are achieving something in your job, that is all what is the basic goal is for people, right? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So if you really are in, finding it interesting, finding your job interesting, so are you really, passionate about your job? You really like being over there, performing your job and everything. You're liking it?
Yeah, I like it, but I don't like so much. Okay, because there is nothing to do. But even that, I tried to find another job too. Okay, just
Uh-huh.
I'm still preparing for another job. I am preparing nowadays for SSC steno. Okay, for
Okay, okay. So since it's like it's an on field job kind of a thing, right? So do you find it difficult to commute to your job, or it's like due to these pandemic times, do you feel it's a kind of a risky thing to be out there, or anything like that related to your job? Do you feel?
Yeah, yeah. It was so risky for us to do our duty
Of
amid the
course.
epidemic, right?
Yes, yes.
Because that time,
Right.
I think you know very well that that time no one was able to go out from their house. Okay, but even we were doing our duty in the road or in anywhere. Okay, so definitely it was a very dangerous situation for that. And along means apart from us, I think many common people also helped so much in the in fighting against the
Yes.
corona. Okay, and
Yes.
apart from that, we
Exactly.
know very well that medical staffs they also did a well job in this time,
Yeah.
and they are still doing. Yeah.
Yes, true, true. That's true. Okay, okay. So, because since you go out there, you get to see a lot of people, you meet a lot of people. So you feel there are any improvement in your work life or in your personal life for that matter because of this job.
Mm.
Have this job affected you in a positive way?
Yeah, yeah, of course. This job also affected my personal life also. Okay, because when I had not joined my job, that time I was not so bold. Okay, I was so afraid to do anything. But now I think I am so means bold to do anything. Okay, there is no such big issue for me. Okay, and I think that is the main reason is that because I meet with many person, okay, while doing my duty. So that is the
Of
reason
course.
that I get opportunity to talk with very new persons. Okay, so that is the
Yeah.
thing, and sometimes I get some bad person also. Sometimes we get a good person also. Okay, sometimes the public also help us in while doing our duty. Okay, so it depends on the situations. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So is this have affected your, your perspective about people, how you used to think and how you think now when you are working on field, you are getting to know people better. So is this affecting you in any, in any way, or is this affecting your perspective in any way about people?
Yeah, of course. Actually, when I had not joined my job, that time I used to think that policemen are very corrupted. Okay, but when I joined here, that then I saw that actually all policemen are not corrupted. Okay, some few policemen are may be corrupted. Okay, but I think it is not in it. I think it is not only present in police department. I think it is present in each and every department,
Of
right?
course,
but
yeah,
the thing is
right.
that we used to wear our uniform. That's why the people are able to recognize us very easily.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So do you think, you think work life, balancing work life with your personal life is important, or you do have any opinion about that thing, how people should actually try to manage their work life, balance their work
Mhm.
life accordingly? Do you have any opinion about that?
Yeah, yeah. I have such a big experience because I have been doing this job for 4 years. So I can say so many things. Okay. Actually, it is not about the police job. Actually, I think whatever job they are doing,
Yeah,
okay, they
yeah.
have to manage so many things, right? Because if they are in their home, so they have to do their home work also. Okay, housework
Yes.
as they do. And apart from that, whenever they go to their office, they have so many works to do, right? So sometimes they feel headache, or sometimes they feel so many difficulties. Okay, but even that they manage to continue their job. By doing their job, they care their family also, right? So I think
Yes,
it is a
yes,
very
right.
big challenge to do the both the doing job and the caring of family.
Of course, that's very true. You do have really nice thoughts, you have a thoughtful mind about things. The way you are talking about things, it really
Mm.
feels like you have so many thoughts going on in back of your mind. That's really good. Whenever you are interacting with somebody, you should have,
Mm.
multiple thoughts running so that you can easily put across your thoughts. That's really a good
Mm.
part.
Yeah.
Okay, so as far whatever conversation we had on that basis, I would like to correct few of your points or few of your mistakes, you can say. Will it be okay with you? Is that okay with you?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When you are telling somebody that I met this person or I meet people in general, you can also use
Mm.
the statement, I get to meet a lot of people. I get to, I get to have conversation. I get to have interaction. When you
Mm.
use the word get to, it enhances the next word you are going to use after it. For example, when you will tell somebody that I get to interact with a lot of people, so it
Mm.
would put a more emphasis on the word interact, that you are getting to interact with a lot of people out there. Okay,
Mm.
so it will put a
Okay.
little more emphasis.
Mm.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
I really felt that you are even using many of the words, I feel, from vocabulary. So your vocabulary is good as well, I felt about you. Whenever
Mm.
you are saying statements, you have been using vocabulary part as well in your statement. So that is really good about you. So you went through the vocabulary part for this session.
Mm. Yeah, I went through the vocabulary part.
Okay, there are basically only three words for today's vocabulary, but both
Mm.
of all of those three are really important ones, which we
Mm.
usually either use in our personal life or
Mm.
day-to-day life, or either,
Mm.
for example, there is this word elusive. You have heard about
Mm.
that word before?
Which is very difficult to get.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Something which is difficult to achieve, right? For
Yeah.
example, here's this example where is government job is elusive, which in your case is not that true. You have the government job with you.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, I would like to ask you that what do you think about the policeman? Means what type of image do you have in your mind?
Just like you said, we usually have that mindset that policemen or basically government job people are a little corrupted on this side. But it's like it's not for me. It's personally, it's like I don't want to form any opinion about somebody until I meet somebody. For example, I have a lot of friends whose their fathers are policemen actually, and they keep telling me, even close friends, they keep telling me that it's just a common thinking of people. It's nothing like that. It depends on your personality. Some people are actually corrupted, while some are actually not. So it completely depends on mindset of person or how their personality is, what exactly their think how about their thinking is,
Mm.
how their perspective towards thing is. So it
Yeah.
completely depends on that. It's just the personality thing, nothing to do with a particular job, nothing to do with the
Mm.
government job or being a
Mm.
policeman. It's completely up to you how you are, right?
Mm.
So because
Yeah.
it's not even about the government job. Wherever you go, you will find some
Mm.
people actually are trying, even in MNCs or private
Mm.
jobs. There are some
Mm.
people who are going
Yeah.
going
Yeah.
after their boss,
Mm.
just trying to
Mm.
achieve promotions, just trying to get promoted. So
Mm.
even that is the thing with them, so you can't do anything about that. It's about their personal
Mm.
mindset, their personality. So
Mm.
it's just that.
Yeah,
You
it's
you
right.
can
Actually we can't blame any full class. Okay, we can't blame
exactly
any
right.
class by assessment of any individual people. Okay, and I
Yes.
think even common people are corrupted. Okay, I think some of common people are corrupted, right?
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
right. It's
Mm.
just they are not getting the chance to show their corruption. That is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
only point.
yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, okay, it was really nice talking to you. Bye bye. Good night.
Okay, bye. Yeah.